All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to TGIF New Age Wall Street. Thank God it's Friday, and thank God under these market conditions it is Friday. It's been a wild, wild week. Luckily, I think most of us here in our room are pretty much just a couple bumps and bruises, nothing too major. Everyone's still in the game, so the name of the game is to stay in the game until tomorrow. So as long as you make it till tomorrow, there's a chance. Um, Morning, hey Janik, what up, man? Good morning. Um, let's see here. All right, all you guys can see my screen, right? So we're working on. Is it this screen? Yeah. So we're working on this screen. Um, all right. So these are the small caps that we're looking at. Obviously, CODX. Alberto, good morning, bro. Um, these are CODX still hanging out, still up here. AHPI, this thing started running yesterday um, around midday, and just freaking going wild. Now it's over here at $34. Um, I don't trust it this high here, so I don't. I'll just keep it on watching and watch what's going on with it. But um, yeah, I don't see any news or anything from it or anything. Um, Pretty crazy. But also have APT right here, CODX. mRNA is the one that I've been personally playing because it's a little bit easier with a bigger float. It just behaves a little bit nicer than these um, CODX, APT. What was the other one? TNXP. Did TNXP finally offer this morning? I thought I saw someone say so. Yeah. So TNXP offered this morning. They came back down. See if we could maybe get some shares and do get any. I'll put it up right here. I forget you guys can see the monitors. Uh, Good morning, all you guys in YouTube. If you guys are watching this, make sure you leave me a comment, subscribe, so you can watch and be notified every week when we go live. We trade every Friday, and Sundays we also have the Sunday stock study. We're gonna have J Trader on this Sunday, so if you guys are watching this in between now and then, that'll be at 10 o'clock market time on Sunday, and it should be fun. Especially for my folks that are not here in the States, I get a couple complaints from the people outside the United States that, 6 o'clock market time is a little bit too late for them to stay up to join in on the market, uh, on the Sunday stock study. So this will be a pretty cool deal. If you want to watch it live and participate, we're going to do it at 10 o'clock in the morning. Um, be a little bit better for J Trader since he's in Italy. But yeah, so this is TNXP. They offered already. You see this drop. So if we get any type of push, we'll see. How it reacts up here towards this two again. That would be ideal, and then for it to continue coming down. Um, yeah. So then, hey, Concept, what's up? Like seeing you in the YouTubes. Um, so I'm sure Alberto's our resident small cap scalper. He'll come up with a totally different watch list than what I'm looking at because that's what he does. Um, and then for bigger caps for options, what we're looking at right now, the SPY is. I didn't think I was gonna wake up and see it this low, guys. To be honest, I thought it would stay hovering around the 300 area. So for it to come, and be down towards 280s is definitely that's a little worrisome, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Um, so Today, with it being Friday though, I think everyone's pretty much taking a beating here today or this week. So we could probably expect some chop probably today going into the weekend. I don't think we're gonna get like a clear direction. We may go a little bit lower, but we may not get like an actual clear trend, if that makes sense. So definitely full on nail and bail mode right now. Oh, you have swing puts from yesterday? That was a really good idea. We were just talking about that. There's some there's some bull flow in the SPY for April calls. So I think that would be a good idea too. Like playing the bounce at this point. Maybe around 310 or so, 310, 315 for a bounce um, at least, and then that I think that would be pretty cool. But I don't know. I'm not fully sold on it. Someone's selling me on it. Yeah, so it's definitely great making the money. That was the morality of it. That was something we talked about yesterday. Was profiting me when this happened in December of 2018. I was like, cool, whatever. Let's because everything happens so much faster. You know what I mean? Like you make so much money, and it just everything comes down, unwinds so much faster than it goes up, and it's so much. It's nice. Like instead of having to swing for weeks. You know what I mean? And so, but be profiting off of people like dying and things like that, it kind of it's a little bit weird. I'll be honest. I'll be honest. Yeah. Do you talk to what's her name? Grim? Are you Grim from J Traders? She's been making some money. She made like 150,000 yesterday or something like that. Been keeping up with her. I really like her style of trading. 100, yeah. See, Pedro, 118,000. So, good for her. Good for her. So, she's one of the first ones when I seen, she would play like Amazon on Fridays. That's where I kind of got that strategy from, and watching her trade, um, and seeing what she is. Yeah, exactly, dude. She's really, really good. At least we're not selling N95 now instead of premium. Did you guys see there's like signs at Home Depot and stuff like limit 10, like you can only get so many of them. Here in Albuquerque, it seems like every girl's occupation is RN attached to their um, RN attached to their damn name, dude. I think it's just Grim, dude. Grimm. I could look at it real quick. One second. And she just stays real low key, dude. I gotta give her props and the shout out. Like she's really cool. Oh, here's my search. This is her this is her thing. The Dallies are selling them. That's freaking nuts, dude. So, um, yeah, it's a little bit weird, but I mean, um, I don't know. There's a GoFundMe for someone that has coronavirus. I'll donate or something. Then I guess I'm so aroused. All right, so that's the spy, like, guys. So if anything, I think we might get like today. We'll at least test red to green. Right now, it's sitting at 291.51. we'll at least go and up to there and test if we could, try. I mean, look at this down right now. Um, Today would be full on panic day, guys, if it keeps on going. So I don't think we've seen, panic at the beginning of this week yet. But today, if we get any lower than this, we'll get full on panic. Um, but a bounce here to at least test red to green or at least or 300 would definitely be nice to be able to load in a position. Hey Tristan, good morning, bro. Um, and then I'm keeping the SPCE also on watch, guys. This thing came down pretty hard yesterday. Um, if you take a look, oh, I was looking. I didn't get to see the second part of the day, but this part right here where it came down, this was nuts. So if we get a nice little pop on SPCE, I'll probably get short on that too. But the main ones I'm looking at here are going to be probably Amazon. The reason I like playing Amazon is because it offers so much range. So right now you could probably get like 1750 puts or 1700s and probably um, be making a lot of money on these if continues to go down. You see, yesterday we lost like from 1975 here to 1879, so 100 points. So 50-point moves on Amazon are not unlikely or uncommon, especially on Fridays when everything's expiring. It makes for an exciting P&L. Yeah, the business model too. Also, like if you're like looking at like BABA, this would be good too right here. So they've been taking a hit since all their stuff is from China. Um, so that would be a good one to keep on watching. You got the 270s on the SPY. And then Tesla guys. So Tesla and then Netflix as well. So Tesla. This this went down way further yesterday than I thought it was gonna go, and me and Pedro were trading this, and it bounced like on this little like right here to 25, and this should have been an ad, and I got scared out instead, and it went another freaking like 70 points, freaking nuts. And then Netflix, dude, it was funny watching Netflix yesterday when everything was coming down and things just looked like a it looked like I had taken Viagra on date night, dude. It just went straight up, and so we'll see if it holds right here in these supports right here at 366.15. I have one, and then 364.25. Um, so uh, anyone have any tickers or anything you guys want to go over before the open? Alberto. Alberto almost had a lottery freaking fill yesterday, and he took it off. I'm gonna find a way, guys. What I'm gonna do is actually on the streams, I'm gonna find a way to be able to have uh, my chat and um, and the charts on the same page, so then kind of interact between them two. But I have to work on that. There's so much stuff I have to do, and it's prioritizing it is the hard part. So I'll write out the tickers we're looking at here. So we got Netflix, Spy, yeah, and then for small caps, I have Man, we were all trying. Remember, like in the fall of last year, we were all hoping, like for small caps, what the next bubble would be, like the next thing to make everything run. And boy, were we wrong. Maybe I'll play Baba. The premiums for Baba are probably a lot less expensive. Oh yeah, look at this dude. They're at a freaking dollar 75. Yeah, I think I might. Uh, if anything, just take some wallet patterns on Baba. So, this is actually where it closed yesterday from the prices it closed at yesterday, right? So it might change a little bit. Alberto, Tristan, do you guys have any other small caps that you're looking at besides these ones? Walked in the house. I don't know how many of you guys listen to music while you're trading, but at least, I usually have like like just some background music going, and I can't do it on YouTube because I get copyrighted. It freaking sucks. Already got yelled at like I don't know how many times, so so whenever we have like down days, like bear, like I don't want to say full on bear markets, but just down days, right? So like where there's gap downs, things like that, or weak pre-market. There's the setup that I like is where we have a week open, and you could just tell like whenever reading the tape that there's is just struggling to go ahead and go up, and then you have the drop down, and then what usually happens is there's a bounce to the around the VWAP area, and that could be your ad, or you could start your position at that point if you didn't get in on the first drop, and then to continue on down. So that's what I'm gonna look for, like on Amazon, to happen. BIBA, and maybe the SPY will even do it. So I need a name that thing, dude. Dude, I keep on getting um I keep on getting offers from Webull to be an affiliate, and I don't think I want to do that. All right, guys. Here we go. All right, so looking at Amazon here, there's it should pop up here to that support, that resistance line, and see how it's not going, and then we'll get a pretty big wash right here. Once it can't hold this pop. So this is a little bit stronger than what I was actually expecting here. So just letting it do its thing. I think the best thing to do is just staying patient. See, now we're having trouble here at the 1850. Let's see what happens. Is it? Maybe mine is too, dude. Are you serious? Damn, bro. Netflix taking off, guys. I wonder, I have a 5-minute chart over here looking at. Al, good morning, bro. What's up? Alright, so right here on Amazon, you see how I came up to this pre-market highs towards this level. This would be a good place to start a position. I'm gonna start getting in right here, and then my stop will be 1870. There we go. Yeah. Amazon. There you go, concept. Ask some Baba to Al. Just got some Baba, bro. Yeah, dude. I'm still a little bit. The spy's looking like it's trying. It's giving the good old fashioned try here, guys. But right here would be a good spot on Netflix too if they can't keep on going over this 376. Codex halted down. That sucks, dude. Uh, Mine. I can't tell on mine. Is it just slow as shit or what? Are you any of you guys on YouTube? Your Thinkorswim messed up? 30 seconds later, dude. 'Alright, gonna see about adding here to my Amazon. We're looking pretty good to come back down and break this 1850, guys. So, I mean, it's they need more servers, is what it is. Is there's so many people that use their shit, bro. On Tesla too, here, guys, from the 650, be a good spot. Codex halted again, I think. Oh no, there it goes. You messaged the support told you that, or you told them that? Damn, dude, I was just talking about right before everyone came into the room. I was just talking about that I called TD yesterday about switching all my stuff to them, and I was asking the guy about like the margin for butterflies and verticals and stuff like that, and then he then I was asking about bookmap and you know, Das coming to Thinkorswim, and he had zero idea, bro. And I'm like, oh, they have a place there. Uh, I was just like, bro, like how, like I'm straight up telling you that I'm bringing all this money over, and you just want me to go out on a whim and trust what you know, and when you like, you don't sound confident. It just blew my mind, dude. But I noticed that it is laggy right now, but I'm not taking any positions. I'm already in. I have Baba right now, and then I have Amazon. So like my Amazon, oh, now my Amazon just moved. Oh really? Oh my god, dude. No, I see what you guys are saying now, because when I look at all three of my charts, it all stops moving at the same time. There we go. There's the Amazon downside here we're looking for. The SPY coming down now. TNXP, guys. Oh, I don't have the tape up. You imagine how many people are calling their brokers asking for like redos or for refunds, or I had a guy at my work actually call, and he wanted to file a dispute for funding his Robinhood account. And I was like, man, you lost that money, bro. There you go, Berto. Good 20-cent scalp right there. Cash me outside. How about that? On Baba guys, I'm risking off of like 203 right here. So we get to 203, I'm out. Good, bro. You're getting a little bit of swag there. Make sure you just keep your risk in check, and you'll be good, bro. Yeah, I can see what you guys are saying. It's slow as shit. kind of going sideways right now, guys. Nothing too much going on. CODX, I can't even see what's going on with it because everything's so slow. Let's go spy. If you guys are watching on YouTube, I apologize. Like right here, to the side right here, like there's a window on the wall, and then the light lights up the green screen. It makes it freaking ugly. So I apologize. There's the wash, guys. There we go. Let's go, guys. Netflix, Baba, and Amazon. What are you trading Amazon, bro? Netflix. Yeah, dude. That Netflix there at the three. I have a line. I don't know if you have a resistance line there at three. I have one at 376.18. But that was, as you kids say, Gucci. Tesla coming down too, guys. Do you guys watching on YouTube? You guys want to see more small caps, or are you guys following along these options that we're trading right now? Yeah, dude, it's really crap, dude. I'll see like the bar won't even load, and then it'll go to the next like minute bar. You know what I mean? Big caps, cool, bro. I say bro, but you know what I mean. We got you. So I'm looking for Amazon to get at least straight up here to the support line, guys. That I have here. This is my profit target so far. I'll go ahead and take some at the 1821, and then after that, we'll just let it ride if the spot could keep coming down. But like I said, it may just chop today. APT might make a move, Berto. I don't know if you're watching that one. Yeah, I actually like this right here, Berto. If we get over 36, 37. what if this is a plot twist? The market is going to be saved by Thinkorswim because no one could trade. Um, so we were talking about that a while ago. Al, I don't know if you're here. Daily chart stuff. Um, let's look at it, dude. We're kind of just chilling right now. So look at this. Oh my goodness, dude. Um, the thing is that we're gonna rally, and then this is gonna look like a little bump in the road here within the end of the year. Watch. This is gonna look like a little just pullback. Yeah, we have some support right here, dude. I have a fib line right here at 286. So 286.26, and then also like around 284.85. Um, I think we right there is definitely uh, a good spot, bro, for it to keep coming down. And then we may see it just range back and forth. You could already see that right here before it wanted to break 300. It would kind of come up and then down and up, and then so I could see it doing the same thing up to 300, down to 285 or so, 300, 285. Um, excuse me. There was there was already some bull flow what we were talking about people buying April calls on the SPY. Um, so that would be cool, dude. 200 IQ. What's that comes at? But yeah, there's some bull flow looking for a bounce on the SPY already in April. So it would be cool to follow along with them, bro, and uh, and yeah. Happy leap year day. Is today leap year day or is it tomorrow? It's tomorrow, right? Were you profitable though? Oh, honestly, if we're all being honest, guys, if Thinkorswim would start charging a fee to use the charting platform, would you guys pay it, and how much would you pay for it? 10 bucks a month. Damn, Alberto's baller over here. There goes Netflix breaking. I hope you're still holding your Netflix there, Andrew. All right, cool, bro. Could have got raped on an AIM. Let me see AIM. Yeah, look how long it's taking to pull up this damn chart, bro. But I think that would solve, most of the issues. Like if they put a subscription price on the on Thinkorswim, then people wouldn't fucking be over here freeloading. And I'm when I'm talking about freeloaders, it's me. I'm freeloaders. Right now, you'd pay anything. It'd be like 60% of your profits, and you can use Thinkorswim, bro. Prop firm style. Oh, dude, I got a nice wash on Baba, guys. I think that's one of the biggest things here in trading is to have a backup plan to your backup plan. We were talking about blow up money yesterday, like having a blow up savings account. So like if or when you ever blow up your account, you're good to go. Like whenever you get your mind and emotions back in check. Um, and then also having different platforms. So I don't think I'll move everything to Thinkorswim, but to TD, but um, it'd definitely be nice, a little bit easier to trade. Oh man, we are cashing here, Andrew. Just a quick reminder, it's Friday, so you may also want to take profits as you can. APT here still, Alberto, if you're looking at it. I think Trade Freak, Richard, my boy, he's like, fuck this. Everything's going down and it's Friday. I'm not trading. There you go. Oh my God, we just went up $1.80, bro. On we went up $2 on APT on that call. Oh my gosh, I should have took that, bro. Just as a little wallet pattern. Fuck my life. All right. And as promised, I'm gonna take half my contracts here on Amazon, guys. Need some water. I need to go grocery shopping and get some stuff. There we go, Baba. Ooh, buddy, keep on coming down, Amazon. We need 1800. At 1800, we're taking tequila shots of 1800, guys. You heard it here. We got about two more bucks on the SPY for it to keep coming down. And Baba's not doing anything, dude. Like, what the hell? Come on. Are you guys watching APT? Man, I should have took that trade. This is something that I like right here, guys. The where it have this support. This is that compression we talk about right here, guys. I'll show it to you right here. We had a discussion about this last week about compression. So it's not necessarily something that um, like it's not something that you could actually see on a or not see, but like a pattern. But all it is you get this really tight range in consolidation, and then all that energy has to be released, and then you start seeing these counter dots. So usually you get these where the Bollinger Bands are inside the counter dots like this, and then that signifies that the energy is built up and it should be released. And the longer these go on for, the more energy that it happens. So if you see, if you're looking through right here, and then you get this nice move, usually to the upside. Um, it can go down, so it can, there's it doesn't tell direction, it just tells energy. So this was really nice, dude. From 30, 35 or even 34, 90 or so, up to 39. That's $4 or $5 move on a pretty low price ticker is nice. Tesla's coming down pretty nicely too, guys. Walked in the house. Um, Watching the SPY right here, guys, at this little level right here. There we go. We wanted to come back down and not start making higher lows. CODX should get a pretty nice wash here in a second. I think I'm just chilling, guys. These are going to be my positions for the day. Not going to take anything new, especially with the way it sucks because I actually execute on DAS, which is going through perfect. I think that's why I didn't realize the issue. That you guys are because you guys are actually trading with it and everything is lagging with your actual trades, your executions. But I mean, if I'm making decisions off of these charts, I'm probably behind too. So these will be my positions. I'm just waiting for them to keep on going down. Oh, we're at 285 right here on the SPY. So see what happens around in this area. Will say a lot. Need BABA to stay under 200. Probably just gonna get out. It's not making me any money anyways. There we go, Amazon. So one of my good friends has a really cool type of setup, and it's whenever it breaks above the VWAP, it'll spike and then come back and test it to hold and then go back up, and that's exactly what APT did, and so we should get some more upside here. We get over 40, and the SPY is still coming down, so we are holding. Everything is just turtle pace today, though. See, and I think this is that bounce that we're talking about right here on the SPY. So we're this is what we're talking about right here, right out 285, right? All right, so my Baba trade here, guys. Oh, there it goes. It's kind of freaking piece of shit, is what it is, to be honest. And Amazon's kind of holding right here, so on the whole account, dude, that's pretty big, bro. That is really major, bro. And I'm gonna get out of my whole Amazon trade there, guys. The theta's starting to eat me up on it. Once it bounced off of the 812, 811 area. So um, it could go fuck itself now. If it wasn't Friday, I would hold a little bit longer. And there's the fucking wash, dude. You gotta be freaking joking me. Exactly. So that's what we were. So that's what we were explaining, bro. If you take a look at, I know you don't trade the small caps, but just as a good example, if you take a look at APT, so we had that, it had the drop at the open, and then it had, this kind of sideways compression. And so what'll happen is you'll get the TTM bars obviously down because of the drop, right? And it'll start leveling off because there's no volatility. It's just going sideways. So then you get that compression where the counter dots are, and then you get that explosion of energy to the upside, like just happened. That was my whole short squeeze setup on small caps. That's how I would squeeze um, people on small caps, and it worked really, really well. And Amazon is actually getting those counter dots right now, so you could actually see right here where we'll probably get a pretty good move, probably the 1835, 1830 or so. Only bearish moves? I don't think so, dude. I'll have to find an example. See, there's that move on Amazon up that we're just talking about there, Andrew. See if we could get to 1835. Oh, there goes APT. Oh my goodness. It's probably already at like $45 and I can't see it. What's up, guys? If you guys are watching here on YouTube, guys, appreciate you guys. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and also a like if you will. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm and showing it to other traders. I do this for free every Friday, so for free we go live and we talk trading. Today's been a little bit of there's a little bit of heartburn today, guys, because of Thinkorswim the way it's working, but um, oh well, we'll deal with it. So, um, but yeah, it really helps me out a lot, guys. If you could leave me a like and a comment and subscribe. Also, the time that you watch matters out a lot too, so I appreciate it. If you guys are watching this right now, we are on come back on Sunday, and we are doing a live with J Trader. So J Trader um, will be on, and we will talk and hang out. And I don't know if you guys knew, but J Trader was one of my mentors when I was coming up. So he helped me out a lot. So should definitely be fun. I'm really looking forward to it. This will be the first time we've actually gotten to talk since he would mentor me, like when he would one on one, with me and stuff. So it should lots happened since then. So it'll be really nice to catch up. I am too, bro. I don't. I mean, I think I like making it not so much about trading. So, um, we'll talk about lifting and family stuff and all that good stuff, dude. Bam! There's that. There's the spike right there on Amazon. There, Andrew. Yeah. So, get grab your box of cereal, your box of cereal, your freaking chanclas, your pantuflas, because it'll be early in the morning for you, bro. No, Andrew. The reason why I was saying is because you see the counter dots that we were talking about, and then how we were talking about it for it to go up. Yeah, dude. Are you trading AIM right here, Tristan? Yeah, you bring your cinnamon toast crunch, bring your questions, bring your protein shake, and we'll just have a good old time on Sunday with Jay Trader. Bam, there's that Amazon move. Very nice. And it's actually happening on Baba right now too. I thought if there's UGT and NUGT, it might be the inverse, dude. Is it? I don't remember. That was back in the Ricky Gutierrez days, bro. That was way back in the day. CODX might make a crazy move right here within the next few minutes, guys, too. Dust is the reverse. What do you mean, Andrew? Or this is the reverse? Oh, there you go. There you go, yeah. So, whew, look at that move on Amazon, guys. You know who taught me the whole counter dot thing and everything? Let you guess, Alberto. Yep, the mags, bro. So if you're looking at my screen, if we're using Amazon as an example, all I used to trade with there, this bottom indicator is the CCI right here. This is custom coded right here. So, but these are ones that you could just get on Thinkorswim. So the MACD, obviously, it's the time frames changed a little bit, and then TTM is I have on here the time frames changed a little bit as well, and if so right here when you get this cross at the bottom, that's almost like bottom taking this move here. So you could start a small position on the cross right here. We're like 18 12 18 13 exactly, and from that, so 13 away from 55 so far. What's that, like 45 like 40 some dollars, I think. um and then once you have these dots, you just keep on buying the little dips here. You could add to your position, and then away it goes. And that's the same way that I would do small caps, bro. Oh my god, that would feel so good to nail those bottoms on the short squeezes. Um, it's so fun just squeezing shorts on small caps. Netflix puts. Let me see. I think I took my Netflix down. I'll put it back over here. I like that right there. There you go. There you go, Andrew. See if we could break this 364 this time. When something starts squeezing, it's like, oh man, it's just like. But I think the cool part about it is it just happens so fast, bro. Like it's definitely fun, dude. Today's the last day of the trading month, right? Today's my last day. Ooh, I get to see how much I made for the month. And I'm glad I got out at Amazon where I did, because I recognized that it was not going down any further, and it was holding that level there. So that was a good out. I'm pretty proud of that out right there. And the thing was, is I was patient. I didn't get the nail the actual bottom. I gave it some room to actually bounce a little bit and give it a chance to come back down, and it didn't. So just get out, and we're good. I'm glad, Alberto. Dude, it's freaking sick because I mean you're a true OG. I think you're like member number 2 or 3 maybe. I don't remember, dude. And and to see you come into your own, bro, is very freaking cool, dude. We'll let you claim that title. I don't remember who signed up first and whatever. Honestly, like what's his name? Brian was one of the first ones too, dude, and I guess he's going through some personal stuff, so um, I hope everything's all right with him. When he made the Zoom chat, dude, like there was a lot of times when there was just there was no one in here, like when I was just talking and I'm like, all right, guys, acting like there's 100 people in here. I was actually thinking about that, dude. In April, it'll be the anniversary, bro. Everyone needs to buy party streamers and stuff, and we'll just get on the Zoom and do a big old video of everyone taking shots and party streamers while we trade on that day. Is the market open on the 29th, April 29th? Or is it the weekend? Oh, it's open. It's a Wednesday. Here we go. Here we go on uh, Richard. We were just talking about you, bro. Oh, he leaves. We were like, Richard probably said this market fucking sucks and it's Friday. I'm not fucking trading. I was just saying. Yeah, dude. Oh shit, the TVIX made a 20 points. It closed at like 100 yesterday, I think. time, bro. Is that what you've been trading, Richard? Did you take any trades today? There, here we go. CODX, CODX. Now we should actually get a pretty nice wash here again on the Amazon for the Amazon to come down again. Made it back up to almost 1860. Are you still? Oh, you the theta got you, bro. Yeah, dude. When something's that's what sucks about Friday, bro. Just move to like next week's expiration if you could afford the next week's expiration. Uh, on Fridays, sometimes I'll do that too. All your fills. ALT, I don't have that one up on my screen, bro. All these tickers, bro. There's so many of them. I have two APT, so let me get an ALT. There we go. Why'd you get out? Dude, that really sucks, dude. I honestly like I think that's a big thing for me in anything in life. If there's a problem and I fuck up, like I'll accept responsibility and accountability of it 100%. Like, 100% if I fucked up, let me have it, you know what I mean? And we'll move forward, you know what I mean? But when it's not my fault and, in this type of situation it was the charts and stuff, that's fucked up, dude. I really hate when stuff like that happens. And the thing is that in this type of industry, they don't help you out and they won't admit fault. Like I'm sure, like if you call them and see, you should call them and or message them and see if they could do something for you, dude. Um, I mean, I did that. Sure Trader did that for me once, but then they got tired of my shit because their options execution was fucked up for whatever reason, like for a long time. Yeah, dude. Tell them um, you want like rebates, bro. But SureTrader did that to me because they knew that there was an issue with their options execution. There was a time where I was in a trade and I couldn't get out and I was stuck. And the thing was is like I was on the phone, I was trying to call them, right? And I was kept on pushing the button to get out. And they told me that they were gonna give me my best fill of the day, like the best time that I pressed the button. Like they could actually see that I was trying to execute it, but it wouldn't go through. So they actually hooked me up and they gave me the trade, the last execution, that the highest one. And so they actually hooked me up pretty well on that. And then but it kept on happening. And then they pretty much started saying that, hey, like, that this is an issue with us and you choose to trade with us, so either you deal with it, or we're not giving you any more um, perks or anything. And then that's what, shortly after that, is when they suspended the trading, and everything happened. And I was like, cool, I actually got enough money to leave now, so fuck you guys. Ooh, there's that wash on Amazon. Oh my goodness, that was pretty. Let's take some bets in the room, guys. Just friendly bets. Put in the chat where you think the SPY is gonna close today. The price the SPY is gonna close today. I think Ramp Capital was doing the same thing too. 280. Can I get $1, Bob? That Netflix trade was money, Andrew. Right there, straight up. I have my resistance line right there at 376. It came in, love tapped it a couple times. Kissed her good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. And dude, that was like fucking like $17. That's a really good move, dude. Now these pops are definitely not easy, dude. Especially when they're at support like this. You just never know. Look at that drop on ALT, guys. It's gonna halt. I think it did halt. Oh no, now it did. Oh no, are they offering? What's going on? What the hell just happened? I hope no one was in that. That's why you use a stop loss. You could hold, just put a freaking stop loss. Or take profit along the way too. That was dirty, bro. That was almost $1 on a $4 stock with like 25%. Eventually, CODX is gonna squeeze, guys, so we just don't know when. Dude, that's exactly what I'm saying, dude. It's nuts. I can't hang with the young bucks trying to play small caps anymore, dude.
something that I know that 90% of the time is gonna work, I'll always take those types of trades. But on the trades where I'm like 20% sure that this is gonna work, like I'm okay with sitting it out and taking the stance of like I'm okay with like observing and seeing if my thesis is right because I can learn from that. But those types of trades where I don't think,
Dude, that Harry Haas guy. Yeah, fuck that guy. And I just said that live on YouTube, so it's out there. Cool, Andrew. Did you make your friends back, bro? Cool, bro. Good strong way to end the week, bro. I'm glad. Exactly, dude. Don't beat yourself up over it, dude. It wasn't your fault. It's always more trades, bro. Exactly. Just take it as it comes. So later, bro. We'll see you Sunday or Monday, all right? All right, guys. For everyone out on YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Just what we went ahead and traded today. So I traded Amazon, just to do like a quick analysis of what happened so far, what happened on it. Um, so what originally what the plan was for a week open here towards like kind of the support. Like I didn't want it to pop this hard, this hard where it was at. And once I seen it broke the support and all the volume that came in with it, it was okay. We didn't take a position. It was okay. We didn't have to worry about it. Um, well, not necessarily have to worry about it, but we just be patient. So I wanted to see where it was gonna stall out at, and in reverse to go ahead and come the other way. So that's something that we talk about is that especially like in the bigger caps, the second move is usually a lot nicer. So here's the initial move at the open, and then you see where it meets support or resistance, and then go ahead and get your position then at that point. So that once I seen it was getting to 1850, I was saying okay, right here, pre-market 1860 or so, we have resistance from the pre-market, and I would like it to go ahead and hold around that area, and then that's when I started getting in. I believe my fills were fucked up too. The way I was getting in, um, as well. But let me see here. What am I doing? Okay, so um, just with the way that because I was reading the like a lagging chart, and then with the way that like my executions were going through actually quicker, so the price was actually different from the Thinkorswim than where it was on my DAS. So I think that's what happened there. But obviously this worked out really well from the 1860. This is where I was risking off of, and it just kind of ranged back and forth, and we made these lower highs. And so we just kept on holding around in this area here, and then and yeah, so then we got to the support. I took some off. We bounced right here, came back up to 1820, and I didn't like that after this second bounce, and so that's where I got out the last part there. So the last part there, so they uh, because it looked like it found a support here from where it was at the open, and I wasn't gonna mess with it being Friday and the theta and everything, so I just got out, which looks to be a really good out. Um, and it came back here to the same area, which almost like a double top here, and we'll see what happens the rest of the day. It looks like the SPY's kind of like slowing down a little bit, guys. There's not so much going on anymore. So probably just chop around the rest of the day. Also on Baba was almost the same exact thing, same exact setup. Um, so um, so then this went ahead and pushed up, and then right here at the 203, you could see a lot of resistance here. And I got in here about 202.50, and I was risking off at 203. I actually looked away right here. I didn't have a hard stop. I looked away when it got over 203. I was doing something, and luckily I didn't stop out, and it came down. The way the theta and the gamma was on this, I didn't make too much money, or I may have even lost money on it. Let me pull it up. 1 second. I lost 42 bucks. So because of the theta, it just took too long to do it. So, um, whatever, no big deal, right? So my thesis was right on the trade. I read it right and I got out. Netflix was a really good one, guys. If you, we didn't, I didn't personally trade this. There's another guy in the room that did, but same thing. It went up to the resistance here. Really nice resistance where we had from yesterday as well as support. And once you start seeing that it's doesn't have the cojones to keep on going up above here, then it's a good place to start getting in and for some puts here. So, and then at this point, I mean, you could still be holding it. I know it's Friday. You could roll over some until next week's expiration or what have you, but it's very hard on Friday with the theta with how slow this has been moving. So, um, you could always just take profit, roll it over to the next week, and then just keep holding it. So especially with the moves that it's had the rest of the week this week. So very nice on that one as well. Um, is there any other tickers that you guys think I should go over real quick? I don't think so, but make sure you guys leave me a like if you got all the way if you guys got all the way to the end of this live. Um, Comment how you liked it. Give me some feedback. I appreciate the feedback so I can improve. And then also make sure you subscribe. So I appreciate it. And you guys, we'll see you on Sunday with J Trader.